Okay, I thought I'd give it a try to show what's happening or not happening when I start my scooter. I turn the key, brake is depressed off the kickstand, giving it approximately 10 seconds for gas to get where it needs to go. And I push the button, and as you see, nothing happens. I push it again. Nothing happens. This a little bit. Nothing happens. Another unsuccessful start.